Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you on how to make the most refreshing pomegranate juice. Yes, right in the comfort of your kitchen. I'm telling you, it's gonna be super refreshing. I know that you all are gonna enjoy it. So please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do share it and subscribe to my channel so you can receive more amazing delicious recipe like these. Stay tuned. So I'm using 2 pomegranate. They are really big. Yeah, these ones are very big. And I'm also gonna use 1 lemon and 1 lime and some ginger, of course, because you know ginger make everything taste really good and so refreshing. So I'm using this amount of ginger. You do not need a lot. All right, so just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. So it's from Psalms 40 verse 1. So this is the word of the Lord. I waited patiently for the Lord, and he turned to me and heard my cry. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. Remember that God loves you so much and you have a great plans and purpose for your life. Stay blessed, and thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. So I'm just gonna open up my pomegranate. So guys, one thing I realized with these pomegranate, they doesn't have a lot of seed on the inside. Even though it look big, but it doesn't have a lot of seed, and I don't like that. Look, I'm gonna cut it back more smaller. Yes, I'm just gonna take my glass bowl. Let's remove the pomegranate, the seed. Yeah, just take your time and just, remove the seed. Yeah, no rush. Let me know in the comment section, have you ever made pomegranate juice before? And do you like it? I never make pomegranate juice before. This is my first time. So it is all done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel my lime and my lemon. Yeah, like this. Now I'm doing my lime. Yeah, make sure that you give your ginger a good wash. So I'm gonna cut my ginger in small pieces. The lime and the lemon, just cut it small because I'm gonna blend it up. So I'm gonna add it to my blender now. Just add it all. So now I'm just gonna add some water to my blender, and I'm gonna add at least 3 cups of water. Try not to add too much. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna cover my blender and blend it up until it became nice and smooth. Yeah, nice and smooth. So now I'm gonna strain it, and I'm using this mesh bag. You can also use a strainer. I just pour it in. Look at that color. So guys, one thing I realized with my pomegranate juice, it doesn't look red, it look pink. Yes. I am not sure why, but it look pink. What you think? So just make sure that all the pomegranate juice is all squeezed out. This way it's gonna be nice and smooth. Yeah, so it is all finished strain. This is what it look like. So now I'm gonna sweeten it, and I'm using granulated sugar. You can also use brown sugar. Just sweeten it to your liking. So here I have my glass. So now I'm gonna add my ice. This is gonna be so refreshing. This is the best part. Now I'm gonna pour it in. Look at that. So nice and so refreshing. I have a few pomegranate seed leaf backs. I'm just gonna add it. And I'm gonna also add some of my rosemary, just for presentation. Some lime slices. So there you have it. This is how I make my pomegranate juice. If you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. It's looking super refreshing. Please do not forget to share this video and also give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye and do enjoy. Cheers.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking, delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.